Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Let's introduce myself. My name is Dania Putrangkuti. I am a student at Sultan Taha Saifuddin State Islamic University, Jambi. So, today we will learn about active and passive voice. Do you know active and passive voice? Okay. In a sentence written in the active voice, the subject of sentence performs the action. In a sentence written in the passive voice, the subject receives the action. Function of the passive voice. The passive voice is used to show interest in the person or object that experience an action rather than the person or object that performs the action. In other words, the most important thing or person becomes the subject of the sentence. How to make passive voice? Active voice itu rumusnya subject plus verb plus object. Sedangkan passive voice itu subject plus to be plus verb. For example, active voice, Rachel kicks the ball. And passive voice-nya, the ball is kicked by Rachel. Rachel ini sebagai subjek, kick itu sebagai verb, dan the ball itu sebagai objek. Kita ubah menjadi passive voice yang tadinya itu active voice. Kita ubah menjadi the ball is kicked by Rachel. The ball ini yaitu subjek, is to be ditambah kick itu verb 3 dari kick, kemudian kita tambah by actor itu by Rachel. Jadi rumusnya passive voice itu jangan lupa subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus by actor. Okay, so in making passive voice depends on the tense. First, simple present tense. The simple present tense is when you use a verb to tell about things that happen continually in the present, like every day, every week, or every month. We use the simple present tense for anything that happens often or is factual. Pattern rumusnya itu subject plus verb 1 ditambah s atau is ditambah objek. Nah, pattern passive voice-nya itu subject plus to be plus verb 3 plus by actor. For example, Jay eats sandwich. Di sini Jay sebagai subjek dan eat sebagai verb dan sandwich sebagai objek. We change it to passive voice. Sandwich is eaten by Jay. Itu kalimat positif. Kemudian kita ubah menjadi kalimat negatif. Nah, kalimat negatifnya itu Jay does not eat sandwich. Kemudian passive voice-nya sandwich is not eaten by Jay karena verb 3 dari eat yaitu eaten. Kemudian interrogative sentence. Does Jay eat sandwich? Passive voice-nya is sandwich is eaten by Jay. And number 2, present continuous tense. The present continuous tense, the continuous is a verb tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently, and might continue into the future. Pattern dari present continuous tense adalah subject plus to be plus verb ing plus object. Dan passive voice-nya itu subject plus to be plus being plus verb 3 plus by actor. For example, kalimat positifnya, he is following me. Diubah menjadi passive voice, I am being followed by him. Dan kalimat negatifnya, he is not following me. Kemudian diubah, I am not being followed by you. Following diubah menjadi verb 3 itu follow. Negatifnya, interrogatifnya, is he following me? Kemudian, am I being followed by him? Karena dia he, subjeknya he, jadi diubah menjadi him. Kemudian simple past tense. The simple past tense is a verb tense used to express things that happened in the past. Patternnya itu subject plus verb 2 plus object. Kemudian rumus dari passive voice-nya itu patternnya itu subject plus ditambah was atau were. Kalau was itu singular dan were itu plural. Dan ditambah verb 3 ditambah by actor. Patternnya itu subject plus verb 2 plus object. Kemudian rumus dari passive voice-nya itu patternnya itu subject plus ditambah was atau were. Kalau was itu singular dan were itu plural. Dan ditambah verb 3 ditambah by actor. For example, kalimat positifnya, Zain drove a new car. Kita ubah menjadi passive voice, a new car was driven by Zain. Kalimat negatifnya, Zain did not drive a new car. Kita ubah menjadi passive voice, a new car was not driven by Zain. Interrogative sentence, kalimat tanya. Kita ubah menjadi kalimat tanya, tadi kalimat negatif. Jadi, did Zain drive a new car? Ditambah kata did. Kemudian kita ubah menjadi passive voice-nya, was a new car driven by Zain. Yang terakhir, simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to refer to action or states that begins and end in the future. Patternnya subject plus will, kita tambah kata will. Kemudian plus verb 1 plus object, itu active voice. Kita ubah menjadi passive voice. Rumusnya itu subject plus will plus be plus verb 3 plus by actor. For example, kalimat positifnya, Harry was received a letter. A letter will be received by Harry. Receive kita ubah menjadi verb 3, receive. Kemudian kalimat negatifnya itu, Harry will not receive a letter. Kita ubah menjadi passive voice. A letter will not be received by Harry. Interrogative sentence-nya, kalimat tanyanya, itu will Harry receive a letter? Kemudian kita ubah menjadi passive voice. Will a letter be received by Harry? Okay, that's the explanation of active and passive voice. If there is wrong word, I apologize. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.